What's up guys, welcome to Apex. Thanks for tuning in. Samsung has started rolling out a brand new update for the Galaxy S23 series and I just wanted to keep you guys posted about the same. This is the Galaxy S23 Ultra I have got here, and as you can see the update size is about 372.15 MB and this is a security patch level for December 2023. The version number ends with BWKC BWJM. And this is a typical security patch. There is no new feature being added with this all new update, but of course there will be some stability and bug fixes when it comes to these monthly security patch updates. I have already updated the device and it is running pretty smoothly, and I didn't come across any major bugs on the One UI 6.0. However, I did read some of you guys mentioning or commenting in some of my videos saying that there are some minor bugs on One UI 6.0 which you have come across and you have been sharing it in the comment section. And I hope those bugs have been fixed with this security patch. And if not, do report it on Samsung forums so that your bugs are being fixed in the upcoming updates. Now coming back to this update would have already reached most of the regions. Not just the S23 Ultra, the other S23 regular as well as the S23 Plus would have already received this particular security patch. So go ahead, open the settings, open the software section, tap on download and install. If the update is available in your region, you will be able to download it. These security patches are very important, so you need to install them as and when we get these updates. And how do you get to know whether there is an update or not? That is the reason you need to subscribe to the channel. I will keep you guys posted because I keep checking these updates for you guys, and as and when I get the update, immediately I will be posting the video. So be sure you subscribe to the channel to know your phone better and stay updated with all the application updates and system updates that you get for the Galaxy phones. Now the next big update is going to be the One UI 6.1. I'm not sure whether we are going to get it immediately after the launch of S24 Ultra or not, but yes, this is coming probably by January end or in the month of February with the security patch level. So January we might get the regular security patch, and February we may get One UI 6.1 with some brand new features and the brand new security patch. I've already posted a video about the all new features which are coming up on One UI 6.1. If you have missed that video, I have left a link in the description. You can go ahead and check it out. There are already some rumors and leaks coming out about the One UI 6.1 update and its features. I have discussed some of those features in that video, so go ahead and check that out. We can expect some amazing AI features and battery features which are coming up on One UI 6.1, and I hope all those features which we get on the S24 series would come to the S23 series as well. But I'm not sure about it. Samsung will reserve some of the brand new features for the S24 series only, and on the S23 series we should get at least some of them. So let's wait and see that. I will keep you guys posted. That's about it. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian signing off. Cheers. Bye bye.